Welcome to this review of the Reolink Solar Floodlight Cam. This all-in-one solar-powered security camera combines 2K 4 megapixel video clarity, up to 1000 lumens of motion-activated lighting, and wire-free operation. It's designed for outdoor use, where running electrical wiring is impractical. First, the solar panel and battery setup. The camera includes a 3-watt solar panel and a 7800 mAh rechargeable battery. In testing, 1 hour of direct sunlight per day kept the camera running overnight. Even in partially shaded conditions, the efficient solar conversion maintained a charge. This eliminates the need for frequent battery changes or complex wiring. Video quality is impressive. The 2K resolution captures fine details like license plates and facial features. The 150-degree ultra-wide field of view covers a large area, reducing blind spots. At night, color night vision uses a built-in spotlight to illuminate the scene in full color, while infrared provides black and white footage up to 33 feet. I found the color night vision particularly useful for identifying intruders. The floodlight itself is bright and adjustable. With up to 1000 lumens, it's enough to deter unwanted visitors. The light can be set to trigger only when motion is detected, and you can adjust the brightness and duration in the app. Smart detection is a key feature. The camera uses AI to distinguish between people, vehicles, and animals. You can customize alerts to only notify you for specific triggers. For example, you could set it to ignore passing cars and only alert for people. This reduces false alarms significantly. When a real threat is detected, the camera can activate the floodlight, a 110 decibel siren, and send an instant notification to your phone. Two-way audio allows you to speak through the camera. This is useful for greeting delivery drivers or warning intruders. The audio quality is clear and there's minimal lag. Connectivity is reliable with dual-band Wi-Fi 6 support. The camera works on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. In my tests, streaming live video was smooth even at 5 GHz range. Storage options are flexible. You can use a microSD card up to 512 gigabytes, the Reolink Home Hub, or a Reolink NVR. No monthly fees are required. Setup was straightforward. The Reolink app guides you through the process. The camera is IP66 weatherproof, so it's suitable for rain or snow. Installation is tool-free with the included mounting bracket. One minor downside is that the motion sensor can occasionally be triggered by moving branches or insects, but the AI filtering helps. Also, the camera is bulkier than some competitors due to the integrated solar panel. Overall, the Reolink Solar Floodlight Cam offers excellent value. It provides reliable, wire-free security with bright lighting, smart detection, and high-quality video. If you need outdoor surveillance without running power cables, this is a great choice.